What's up, everybody? So, plain cardboard box. I guess you know what this means. Ooh, unboxing. All right, let's do it. Oh, oh, oh. What do we have here? Well, 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 my old friend. So, looks like we got a Walkera Runner 250 here. Let's see what package it is. Oh, got my niece just got back. So, we'll take out the transmitter. Alright. So this is the package 2, I believe. So we have the quad, the Devo, and this is the Devo 7. This is packaged with it. Super nice transmitter. Lots of switches and super fun. Really nice, really, really nice. And here's the quad. Here it does have a full set of props, no spares. You get one set. You get the charging cables. This is for the transmitter. You get your charging cable, and you get it looks like a balance charger here. And here's the battery. And this is a you can't really see. I think it's a 2200. Yeah, 2200. So, okay, so I know about these quads. Pretty familiar with these, actually. There's some things that people complain about. This is a weak point here. It's got this thing called the FOD, the flip of death, but I believe that the newest firmware update has addressed the problem, not so much fixed it as made it so you don't have to adjust the throttle trim to keep the motors running. A flip of death was caused by cutting pulling down, pushing down too fast, and then pushing up. The back motors wouldn't wouldn't start spinning as fast as these ones, so it would flip and crash and break. But the new firmware has kind of removed that, how you have to throttle trim it to keep them on. At least that's what I heard. So yeah, I think they addressed it in some way. And the other one that I have flown, we just had the throttle trim adjusted, so we wouldn't get the flip of death. This isn't, this isn't the super finely tuned ones that you can build, but this thing's still awesome, you know. And now you guys will get a chance to see me fly it, and hopefully not crash it right into my head and lose a couple eyeballs. But anyway, super excited to bring you guys some brushless flights. So Thanks for watching. All right.
Like you can hear it.
Oh, there's Chief. Yeah, will you get Chief?
Yeah. Chief! Chief! Come on! Come on, Chief!
I don't want to hurt the dogs with this one, so we're putting them away.
Right? Sounds like a bee, huh?
Big motherfucking bee. Look at the fucking wind it's putting out.
That's crazy.
Looking at that motherfucker, it's making me wobble like I'm gonna fall down. Oh. What? You have rain?
Does it feel like loss of power?
Yeah, right. You see that? But I don't want it to just fall out of the air, you know?
Yeah.
Because I was tuning it for way too long.
I gotta wait another 3 hours. Yeah, it's definitely losing power.
Damn it. I don't want to keep going up and out if it's going to be dying on me. You want to